today's math lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So as we sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. Back to the room, okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. Let's stand up in our chairs. Let's begin by stretching our hand. Bend down to touch our toes. Up high again. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, keep up. And then back down, touch our toes. Hands on hips. And let's have a look. Stop. And a little. Stop. Round and round. Round and round. Round and round. And stop. And let's go the other way. Round and round. And stop. Let's shake. Shake. Stop. Finish. We'll do 5.
So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently? Multiplication. And we're going to continue learning today. We're going to do our review. So first of all, how do we spell multiplication? T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. Review. And we spell review R-E-V-I-E-W. Multiplication. Review. And let's begin this lesson. We will do a review of 2 digits by 1 digit. We'll begin with 2 digits. T-W-O. Digits. D-I-G-I-T-S. 2 digits by B-Y 1-O-N-E digit. D-I-G-I-T. Okay, now I would like a volunteer. Prel, hand went straight up. Okay, so Prel, can you come to the front of class, please? 3. One more number? 3, 2. Okay, so we have 32. Times one more number? 4. Did I hear 4? We'll have 4 equals. So what's our problem? 32 times 4 equals, Prel, what colour would you like? Over to you. Okay, so first of all, we need to do our multiplication table. 32 times 4. So what's the first step we do, guys? 4 times 2
equals 8.
8. Very good. So we write 8 in our ones column. And step 2, 4 times 3 equals 12. So we write that in our tens column. And then we also move into the next column, which is hundreds. So there you go. Are you ready? 32 times 4 equals 128. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
High five. Round of applause for Prel. Well done. So this is how we do multiplication of 2 digits by 1 digit. And let's do one more together. I need another volunteer. Who would like to volunteer? Net. Come and join me. Excellent, Net. Thanks for volunteering. So guys, I need some more numbers. 1. 1, 2 times 5. I heard 1, 2, 5. So we have 12 times 5 equals. Net, over to you. So first thing we do, we draw our table. 12 times 5. Okay, so step 1, what do we do, guys? What's step 1? 5 times 2 equals 10. So what do we write in the ones? 0, and we regroup. Carry the 1. Excellent, Net. Next, 5 times 1. Perfect. We've done it already. So we can say 12 times 5 equals 60. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you sure? Net, are you really sure?
Yes.
High five. Round of applause for Net. That was excellent. A round of applause for everyone, guys. So that was a recap of how we do multiplication of 2 digits by 1 digit. Well done, guys, well remembered. And shortly we'll be moving on to 2 digits by 2 digits. But before then, we have a video for you to look at, which is a multiplication song for us to sing and move along to. So let's all turn to have a look at the TV screen. Okay, so now it's time for our song, which is the multiplication mash-up. So if you remember the song from previous lessons and you know your multiplications, you can sing along. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
Okay. Then flaunt it and bounce it around. 0 is a factor, it takes control, it steals the show, the property of 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. In fact, they're so easy. Do you know your twos? My twos. Yes, I most certainly do. Do you know I know my twos? 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. But I'll practice them anyway. Hit me with your 3, please. 21, 24, 27, 30. Know your fours, you sing along with me. Don't be shy, I know you know, sing along with me. Know your fours, sing along with me. 4, 8, 12, 16. Here come the fives. You're kinda crazy.
What was the song for the sevens again? Oh wait, I got it. My mama once told me it's gonna be hard.
She said, if you practice, then you'll be a star. And I've been practicing all day. Now I can finally say, now I know. Know my sevens on my own. It goes like 7, the 128, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Now for the tensies. 10. No. $50, $60, $70, $80. 22, 33, 66, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, we're almost through. Because I'm grooving to the beat, soon I'll be fluent with my fast facts and that'll be sweet. I never thought I'd be a multiplication whiz. Spread the word to all the other kids about this mashup. But I still dance, dance, dance. Mash, mash up. Okay guys, well done. Good dancing. Any questions?
No.
Excellent, well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the song about the multiplication mashup so that they could sing and dance along to the multiplications. And we had a good time in our class here too. And now it's time for our flash activity. And now we're not going to do 2 digits by 1 digits.
2 digits by 2 digits.
Excellent, well guessed. We're now going to do an activity for 2 digits by 2 digits. T-W-O-D-I-G-I-T-S. Because when it's more than 1, we add the S for plural. So, teachers, you will need to print off your flash cards for this lesson. And what you will need to do is cut them into individual multiplication problems and invite your students to the front of class to work out each problem. So who would like to go first? Lakau, come and join me at the front. You can choose your problem and show your friends.
25 times 22.
25 times 22 equals. Lakau, would you like black or would you like blue?
Blue.
Over to you. So guys, we can do together in our class. What do we need to do for... So, step 1, do we remember?
2 times 5 equals 10. 0, carry over 1.
Excellent. And then?
2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5.
Excellent. That's step 1. That's the ones column taken care of. Next, we move into the 10s column. So we write 0. Excellent. And now? 0, carry the 1 again.
2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5.
Excellent. So the answer for step 1, 50. The answer for step 2, 500. What do we need to do to these two? Add. Okay. So 0 plus 0
Equals 0.
5 plus 0
Equals 5.
And 0 plus 5.
equals 5.
So we have our answer. 25 times 22 equals.
550.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Lakgao, are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
High five. Round of applause for Lakgao. That was brilliant. Well done. So teachers, you can see the activity we're doing in our classroom with the flashcards and the board. You can pause the video now and do the same activity in your class and continue playing in total for around 15 minutes and let all of your, as many students as possible, have a go at the board's exercise. So who's next in our class? Now it's time for Pang Pon. So can you come and choose your problem and show your friends? 16 times 15 equals, Pang Pon, would you like black or would you like blue?
Black.
Black. Over to you. Okay guys, so let's work out together. First of all,
16 times 15.
16, very good, times 15. Okay, so step 1. 5 times 6. 30. So we write 0. What do we do with the 3? Carry. Excellent, yes. 3. Remember we carry 3. That's okay, you can write 3 there. Excellent. 5 times 1. Excellent, Bang Pon. So you see, step 1 is done. Our ones is worked out already. 80. Now for step 2. We move into the tens column. So what do we write for the ones column?
0.
Excellent. So another line here and then 0. Excellent. 1 times 6. 1 times 1. Perfect. We have our answers. Step 1, we have 80. Step 2, 160. So we have to add the two amounts together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 8 plus 6. So we write the 4, carry another 1 in here. Yes. And then 1 plus 1. Perfect. So 16 times 15 equals, Pang Pon, 240. Is that correct? Are you sure? Are you really sure? Correct?
Yeah.
Are you really sure?
Yeah.
High five. Excellent. Round of applause for Pang Pon. Okay, who's next? Nadia, come and join me at the front. Let me rub out the previous problem. Are you ready? Okay, show your friends. What's the problem, guys? 16. Wow. Okay. 16 times 38 equals. Nadia, would you like black or would you like blue? Blue. Blue. Okay. Let me find blue. Over to you. So first of all, we need to write the problem. 16 times 38. Okay, so step 1, 8 times 6. 8 times 6, guys? 8 times 6.
48.
Yes. Okay, so 48 What do we write in this column? 8. And what do we carry? Excellent. 8 times 1, 8. Plus the 4, 12. So we write 12. Excellent, Nadia. So you see, we have our answer for step 1 already. 128. But we're not finished yet. After step 1, we need... And what's the first thing to do? 0. Okay, so now 3 times 6 equals 18. So we write 8, carry a 1. Perfect.
3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4.
Perfect. See, you guys, excellent already. So we have our answer for step 1 and step 2. Now what do we need to do? Add together. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 2 plus 8. So we write 0. Take the... So
4 plus 1 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6.
perfect. So are we ready? 16 times 38 equal 608. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Nadia, are you really sure?
Yes.
Excellent, you're right. Round of applause for Nadia. That was brilliant. Well done. And round of applause for everyone, guys. Very good. And now it's time for our stretching sequence. So let's all stand up, guys, and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. And then let's stretch down low. Stretch up high again. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And give a wave while we're there. Then back down low to touch your toes. Hands on hips. Let's go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And back to the middle. Now we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And swap sides, guys. Now we'll do 5 to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And then shake it all off. Shake it all off. Stop. Shake it all off. Shake it all off. Stop. And to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time for our final activity of the lesson, our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you will need to do is you will need to print off 1 worksheet for each of your students in your class. And as you can see, there are a series of problems of, ready guys? 2 digits by 2 digits. So our students can work through the problems by using the right-hand column to do their multiplication table, like we've been doing with the board exercise. And what's the first thing to do, guys?
On top.
Write our names on top. And give our students around 12 to 15 minutes, should be enough time for this activity. Monitor your class, and if there's any help they need, you can help them. Come, Pat.
Thank you.
Down.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Ned.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Trail. You're welcome. Bang pong.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Back out. Pak boom. You're welcome. So guys, any problems you have, any help you need, let me know. In fact, let's do the first one together. 13 times by 10. Oh, okay, this is good. Step 1 is 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 1 equals 0. Okay, step 1, 0, because we're multiplying by 0. Step 2, what's the first thing we do in step 2? 0 for the ones, excellent. And then 1 times 3.
1 times 3 equals 3.
Perfect.
1 times 1 equals 1.
So there's our answer for step 2. So what's 0 plus 130?
Equal 130.
Excellent. And that's how we do multiplication of 2 digits by 2 digits. It's always good when the first digit is 0, because that means step 1 will be 0. Okay? Excellent, Ned. So now for this one, 15 times 11. So 1 times 5. 5. 1 times 5. 5. Excellent. So that's step 1 done, and now we move on to the step 2. First thing to do with step 2, write our 0 for the ones. One times 5. 1 times 1. Yes. Pakboom, excellent. That go, nice to see. Nice to see you all doing your workings out in your tables, guys. Especially with 2 by 2 digits, because you have to add at the end. Always remember the first digit for step 2 is 0. Preo, excellent. Pakbong, very good. Okay. 25 times 20. Okay. So let's see. 25 times 20. 0 times 5, 0. Welcome back to class, and we hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work through the various multiplication problems and show their workings out in the multiplication table in the right-hand column. Our students all did a great job here, so well done, guys. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. So today, guys, we started multiplication of 2 digits by 1 digit. And what did we finish doing? 2 digits by 2 digits. Well done. So, we hope you've had a good time, found it interesting, and also had a fun time too. So we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. Can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you soon.